Resentment often means I'm agreeing to something, but my heart isn't quite in it. And I'm sort of trying to behave as if, but I'm not fully there. And that's kind of an act of self-violence. That's one way you can think about that. That can be an act of self-harm, trying to make myself be somewhere that I'm not yet. And so then I would go back and I'd say, okay, what else is going on? What else is important to me? What have I not yet connected with in me? What have I not given myself permission to know yet? What have I not given myself permission to feel yet? What have I not given myself permission to acknowledge yet? And what am I trying to bypass or override in me for the sake of ease, harmony, whatever it is that I'm trying to meet? And then I just slow down and honor that piece. Sometimes those conflicts can resolve without ever involving the external world. Like once I get that insight into myself, I can release something and then I feel differently and it's enough. And sometimes it helps me to go back to the person and say, I've been having this inner conflict and here's what I've realized is going on for me. And this is what I think, I want to do moving forward. And sometimes that works. It depends.